Building a growth engine for creators is a super ambiguous idea. So to start, we reached out to Anthony Pompliano, who I felt was like ahead of the curve in terms of where the creator world was going, because he had the normal content distribution with Twitter and YouTube and a podcast, but he also had a job board, the Rolling Fund, and a cohort-based class. He had like these new creator products that were helping him develop more income while he built his audience. It's really great to have that mixture of delivering more value for your audience and being able to capture some of the value that you're creating, developing a strong business and building it as something that can last into the future. And so we reached out to him and asked to run some growth experiments for him. And we had a laser focus on the Pomp Letter, his paid newsletter, because I think it's obviously really important to have very tight focus early on. We just threw everything that we could against the Pomp Letter from what we learned from the streaming video services. So we did Facebook ads early on. We did landing page tests. We did different types of email campaigns, which is what eventually became our core initial product. We did a bunch of analytics. That's my comfort zone. We did user research to develop personas and talk through different ways to expand the audience or develop products for the existing audience. We built a forecast model, which allowed us to look at like customer lifetime value, how much earnings we could expect to make over a certain period of time from an individual customer, and also build like a reliable, accurate forecast model for his subscription business. Both of those really helped with making an investment in Facebook ads and other performance marketing items. And then we also did like different cross promotions, strategic partnerships. It was a pretty intense learning experience. This is a very new world for me in terms of like, really getting into the minutia of newsletters and emails. It was really awesome. Ultimately we took those learnings and turned it into a company and kind of scaled it up to where we are today. But those were kind of some of the tests we were running early on.